built a castle from your shadow. Every smile lit up my sky, but the truth is cold and hollow. You pass me by, you pass me by. I call your name in crowded rooms, but you can't hear, you never do. Every step I take toward you just disappears into the blue. It's just imaginary bliss, a dream I'm holding in my fist, a wave that dies before the shore. I love you, but you want no more. I love you, and you close the door. I paint your words in silver colors that you never meant to say.